presentation. My topic, understanding peace and justice. So peace means living without violence, fear, and conflict. Peace is not just the absence of war, but the presence of harmony, honesty, and the understanding among people. Peace exists when individuals and communities solve problems through words and cooperation. So peace in GB means living together with respect, harmony, and safety, no matter others' culture, language, and or belief. Peace helps GB grow in education, tourism, and development. It allows people to live without fear. Justice in GB means in fairness, equality, and giving people their rights without discrimination. And justice plays a important role in maintaining peace and harmony among diverse communities. So here's a mind map of what my topic covers. When there's peace, there's justice, and when there's justice, there's peace. Similarly, human right, inner peace, and social justice are all connected. I would like to add that in a country, city, or a community in which there's peace and justice prevails, that country will prosper in the terms of economic growth and power. By economic growth, I mean industrial growth and agricultural growth. So the logo of justice is a lady also known as Lady Justice. It represents fairness, equality, and the rule of law. So there is also a symbol for peace, also known as the Dove Kingdom or the Dove Crown. It represents harmony, safety, and respect to each other. Now I'd like to call my friend Subhana to share her topic.
My name is Haklan Ali and I am here to present my subtopic, which is peace and justice in communities. So let's get started my presentation. What is peace? Peace is a state of harmony, freedom from conflict, and no violence. What is justice? Justice is the principle of accountability, fairness, and equality. Now, the role of community in building peace and justice. So the role of community in building peace and justice is they should respect their elders, and they should respect their elder. They should respect their seniors, and they should respect each other's opinion. Okay. So justice in everyday life. We experience justice in many different ways, like at home, at school, at society. Justice at home means respecting our elder sister or brother, and we should respect our elder sister or brother, and we should resolve conflict without shouting to our elder sister or brother. Now, justice at school. Justice at school means don't fight with our classmate members or our friends, and the teacher should grade the child with his performance, not with his favoritism. Now, justice in society. Justice in society, like the one person is not following the traffic rules and another person is following the traffic rules. This is not called justice. Justice means they both should follow the traffic rules. Duri.
Peace and justice. So the global I'm going to start from what is global peace and justice. So global peace and justice is deeply connected to a state of harmony that help people to connect with each other around the world. It helps countries to work together and grow their economy, education, and etc. In this, the importance of global peace and justice is a lot, because without like global peace and justice, there would be conflicts would be occurring everywhere in the world. People would lose their innocent lives. Economic destruction would happen. There would be a lack of education, and the future would be destroyed. Even the future generations will be destroyed, and they want future generations will be destroyed. Okay. So, protecting human rights in the global peace and in the global peace and justice, there's human rights. So in the world, a lot of people don't have like their fair human rights. That's connected to just that's connected to global justice. So like protecting human rights, it's also connected to like decision making, that the government, like the government or the lawyers, they should have like. They should be protecting human rights, whether it's the person is wealthy or whether the person is poor, or there should be no inequality. Aage. So role of individuals and youth. So the role of individuals in promoting is to promoting global peace, is to decide like choices, like to decide greater choices. It also plays government also plays a crucial role, because it helps the citizen, and it provides the needs for like justice, decision making, and peace in the environment. So now, my friend, now Duri would come
or a disagreement between groups or people by due different kind of opinions, values and differences and more. So conflict, it can be all, it can also be misunderstandings with people